Hi, my name is Melissa Majori with Alessi Bakeries in Tampa, Florida. I have some tips here on how to actually hide the seams on your three-tier wedding cake. As you can see, there will be seams that will be able to be seen if you don't cover them up. These are the seams that actually show where you've actually removed the corrugated board from the tiers of the cake to actually put it on your column supports. You may want to use just this small round tip. That's actually just a small beading tip or a larger writing tip to actually use to actually insert buttercream into the seam to actually cover up the corrugated board. Or you might want to use just a basic rose tip, which is a small smooth tip that you would want to use to actually put a band or a ribbon around the base of each tier to actually cover that seam. You can also do just small techniques. Corrugated board seam, we're actually going to be covering the seams with borders. You can use trim work, clamshell borders, dot borders, multiple borders to actually cover up the seam for your end result. This is basically just to fill in the space where you can actually see the corrugated board. Again, my name is Melissa Majori with Alessi Bakeries in Tampa, Florida.